Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we have a nifty little device that promises to keep your workspace tidy and your gadgets dust-free, the ProWithlin Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. If you're tired of crumbs, dust, and debris cluttering your desk, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. But before we dive into the details, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Now, let's get started. The ProWithlin Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is a compact cleaning gadget designed to make your life easier. It's perfect for cleaning up your desktop, computer, keyboard, and other small spaces. Let's take a closer look at what makes this little vacuum cleaner special. Unlike some other desktop vacuum cleaners, the ProWithlin comes with a detachable vacuum nozzle. This means you can use it according to your specific cleaning needs. Whether it's removing dust, crumbs, or hair from your workspace, this vacuum has you covered. One of the standout features of this desktop vacuum cleaner is its USB charging capability. It only takes 2 hours to charge and can last for up to 4 hours. You can charge it through a car charger, mobile adapter, power bank, computer, and more. This not only saves you money on batteries but also makes it more environmentally friendly. Don't let its small size fool you. This mini vacuum cleaner has strong suction power. It can easily tackle accumulated dust, paper scraps, pet hair, and more. Plus, it operates quietly, so it won't disrupt your coworkers, family members, or roommates. With its ergonomic design, the ProWithlin Desktop Vacuum Cleaner feels comfortable in your hand, almost like a mouse. Using it is a breeze. Just press the switch under your finger, hold it, and move it across your desk. Cleaning it is equally simple. Just unscrew the upper and lower parts and use the included cleaning brush. The indicator light turns green when in use and stops when the power is low. Looking for a thoughtful gift? It provides a convenient cleaning experience and promotes a tidier, more organized life. The ProWithlin Desktop Vacuum Cleaner comes with some fantastic features. It has a removable vacuum nozzle for versatile cleaning, a fine brush head to help clean up desktop dust, and an ergonomic design for comfortable use. Plus, it includes a USB charging cable for convenience and a small brush to tackle those hard-to-reach spots. In conclusion, the ProWithlin Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is a handy little tool that can help you maintain a cleaner and more organized workspace. With its precise cleaning capabilities, USB charging, strong suction power, and ease of use, it's a valuable addition to any desk. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys a tidy space, this desktop vacuum cleaner has you covered. If you found this review helpful and are excited to add the ProWithlin Desktop Vacuum Cleaner to your tech arsenal, give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of innovative and practical gadgets. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your workspace clean and your tech game strong.